Hello, you're welcome. There is a question here that I want us to have a look at. Two consecutive odd numbers are such that 7 times the smaller number subtracted from 9 times the bigger number gives 144. Find the numbers. So the question is asking us that, or telling us that two consecutive odd numbers are such that 7 times the smaller one and then 9 times the bigger one. When we subtract 7 times the smaller one from the bigger one, that is 9 times the bigger one, the answer will be 144. So the question is, find those two numbers. All right. So, when I'm having odd numbers, for instance, when I have 1, 1 is an odd number. If I want to get the next odd number, it will be 1 plus 2, that will give me 3. The next odd number will be 3 plus 2, that will give me 5. The next one will be 5 plus 2, that will give me 7, and to continue like that. But here we are not given any particular number. So I will say let x be the smaller number. Now, if s is the smaller one, don't forget they say they are consecutive numbers. So it means they follow each other in that particular way. So if x is the first one, then it means the second will be what? S plus 2. So let x plus 2 be the bigger number. Don't forget, I said earlier that for you to get the next odd number, we add 2. So when you have 1 as the odd number, the next one will be 1 plus 2, that will give you 3. 3 plus 2 will give you 5. So if the smaller number is x, to get the next one, which is bigger than the first one, it means s plus 2. Now, let's come back to the question. The question says that 7 times the smaller number. So it means the smaller one is what? X. And they say 7 times the smaller one, which is what? X. So this is giving us 7x. Then they say 9 times the bigger one. And the bigger number is x plus 2. So it becomes 9 times s plus 2, which is equal to 9 into bracket s plus 2. We can simplify this one or expand the brackets. It is giving us 9x plus 18. Then from the question, we're given that when we subtract 7 times the smaller one from the bigger one, that is 9 times the bigger one, the answer will give you 144. So it means that 9x plus 18, that's the bigger one, 9 times the bigger number, minus the smaller one, which is 7x, must give us 144. So now let me group like items. I now have 9x minus 7x is equal to 144 minus 18. So I know that 9x minus 7x will give me 2x, which is equal to 144 minus 18 will give me 126. 126. But I'm looking for x, so divided by 2. Divided by 2. Meaning x is equal to S is equal to 63. So don't forget they say find the numbers. The numbers are 2. So let me continue at this side. So at the initial stage, I said let s be the smaller number. So it means this x is a smaller number. So 63 is the smaller number. Now, if 63 is the smaller number, don't forget the bigger number I said is what? S plus 2. So the bigger number will now be 63 plus 2 is the bigger number. All right, so what are those two numbers now? It means the numbers are, so therefore, the numbers are 63 being the small one, and then 65 being the bigger one. Now let's confirm our answer. So they say 7 times the smaller one. So what we did earlier was that 7x is the smaller one. That is equal to the smaller number. And then the bigger one is 9 into brackets s plus 2 is equal to the bigger one, bigger number. All right. So this one, you subtract this from this, you must get 144. But now we have x to be, our s now is 63. So it means that if I have 9 into brackets 63 plus 2 minus 7 into brackets 63, I have to get 144. So let's try it and see. 63 plus 2 will give me what? 65. So it means 9 times 65 minus 7 times 63. Now 9 times 65 is giving me 585 minus 7 times 63 is giving me 441. Now if you subtract it from 585, you realize that my answer is equal to 144. Hence, my answer is correct. So this is a solution and this is a proof for the solution. Thank you for watching.